Barevner, this is Patel Tutunjan coming to you from Aleppo, Syria, my hometown, and I'm really excited that I actually got to be here during Easter. And today I want to go to the churches with you and show you the ceremony during Easter in Aleppo. And the first church we'll be going into is Grtasiradz, which is the church that's actually attached to the school that I went to throughout my whole life. So from kindergarten to grade 12, I went to Grtasiradz, which is right next to Asvadzadzin church. And now we're going into Zvartnots Megaretsi, which is located in North Kugh, a very heavily Armenian populated neighborhood. In this episode, as we continue, I will try to actually go to the school that I attended as a kid. Well, not as a kid, my entire life, from 3 years old till I graduated high school. But before I do that, I want to give a huge shout out to one of the members of our community, Ani, who I actually ran into in Kalume, my favorite bar in Yerevan. And she let me know that her family watches my videos and they are actually from Halep. So I want to do a huge shout out to the Aroyan brothers, Rafi, Khoren, Harut, Nazo, and Yeria. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm so glad you guys are part of this community. Love you guys so much. Bachigner, and now we'll continue to my school.
Բարև սիրելի գրտասիրացականներ, ես օրիորդ մարալնի դեմ, դագավին գրտասիրացի մեջ եմ, այնքան ադեմ, որ աստված ուժ դա, ես գրտասիրացի մեջ պիտի մնամ և բահեմ գրտասիրացը, գրտասիրացը իմ ոչ թե երկրորդ տունս է, առաջին տունս է, գիտեմ, որ բոլորդ ամեն մեկը տեղ մի եղաք, բայց գուզեմ նայեցեք Փաթիլը, երբ եկավ Հալեբ ամիջավես եկավ իր դպրոցը այցելեց ցիդեց դեսավ վերհիշեց հիշադակներով լեցուն իր դպրոցը գպապակին որ բոլորը ցուկալ երբ կհասնիկ Հալեբ անպայման այցելեք մեզի չի մորնակ Գրտասիրածը դակ մի մորնակ Գրտասիրածը դուներ ընտանիք էր եւ ոչ դպրոց մախտեմ բոլորդ լավ վիճակի մեջ եք հաջողություն կմաղթեմ ձեր բոլորին գարոցած եմ շատ բաճիկներ
That's where we used to buy food from. Cafeteria. I don't know why I said that with an accent. Okay, let's also go to the square, like the main square. Quick story time. We actually had a basketball coach that would only speak English with us, and we used to play basketball here in this court just so we can learn English. So that was their way of teaching us English here in this school. That's why I really love this school. Okay, now we're gonna go to some of the neighborhoods to North Kugh, Sulamaniyah, and show you some of. There's a lot of Armenians there, so I'll just kind of show you around, and we can see what are people up to. Sorry. Here we have another Armenian school, Sahagyan. And then we have High Gazian Kindergarten. And here is Gemaran. Gemaran is the largest Armenian school here in Aleppo. And now we're gonna go take a tour into AGBU school and the youth association right behind me here. Let's go in. quickly interrupting to let you know that we're doing this episode a little bit differently. I hope you enjoyed so far my childhood school and the couple of other Armenian schools that I shared with you guys. It was really, really nice to do this episode. And I know so many of you have asked me to share also streets of Aleppo. So what I thought I will do, I will split this episode into two, and the second part, you guys will be walking and driving with me through the streets of Aleppo. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Let's go on a walk.